The supply chain process ranges from demand forecasting and production to product delivery to the customer and billing. Digital tools help us to optimize this process and reduce operating costs, facilitating safer, more sustainable and efficient transport. Thanks to this, we improve the satisfaction of our customers, drivers and collaborators, road safety and the environment. Let's travel following the stages of our supply chain to discover all the benefits that digitisation brings us by means of the project IBO, Integrated Bulk Operations. IBO combines process optimization, the expertise of the planners, and digital tools to achieve operational excellence in distribution. Let's start with the product needs. The liquid supply demand forecast is shared weekly with the remote control centre so that plants can adjust their production. The LIM Optim software combines historical consumption data with logistics and energy costs to recommend the optimum amount of liquid to be manufactured per plant on a daily basis. The key to efficient logistics is to supply our customers on time, optimizing shifts. First, decide which customers to supply. On a daily basis, dispatchers receive customer needs by means of telemetry indicating tank levels, the web application My Installation for orders, or by phone or email. All bulk customers' consumption levels are analysed with the software statistical forecast that helps us define the consumption profile of each one. With this information, we determine their criticality, the customers to be delivered, and the supply date. It's time to plan the transport shifts. With the help of the Transport Optimizer BTA, Bulk Trip Assist, integrated in Alto, dispatchers design the optimum shifts, taking into account the availability of the product and the customers to be supplied. BTA reduces transport kilometres and with it, the associated costs as well as CO2 emissions from vehicles. Once the shifts are prepared, they are sent digitally to the application Alto Mobile on the mobile device of each driver, which allow them to know their work plan for the next day. The distribution journey begins. After a safety inspection of the vehicle, he can now go to the plant where he will load the trailer. We proceed to load the trailer. In the production plant, the entire loading system is automated. Each trailer is labelled with its own radio frequency tag that identifies it. When passing through the loading station antennas, the Montreal system determines the maximum product to be loaded. The driver is identified by his or her fingerprint. After connecting the hose and preparing the trailer, he does the confirmations and the safety checks, and the product is loaded automatically. When finished, the driver collects the mandatory bill of lading for the transport of hazardous goods, scans the QR code printed on it, and all the data of that load is transferred to Alto in real time. Let's start the shift to customers. Our trailers have the latest safety technology and use to a large extent clean fuels such as liquefied natural gas. Dispatchers can check the location of the trailers at any time, thanks to the geolocation of the fleet. It allows them to correct the shifts if necessary and control the kilometers travelled. Once at the customer's premises, the driver prepares the safety conditions to make the delivery. The discharge flow and pressure are controlled by the electronic devices of the trailer. When finished, he or she records the delivery note on his or her device and has it digitally signed by the customer, who receives it immediately by email together with the corresponding certificates. All deliveries are transferred to the system for monthly billing to customers. Meanwhile, during the day, our dispatchers have been working on the shifts for the next day that drivers will receive on their mobile devices at the end of the day. And the cycle begins again. With IBO, we are more agile and reliable in our processes while achieving greater efficiency and sustainability. The digitisation of the transport of liquids places us in a privileged position to face the challenges of the future. At Air Liquide, we work with our customers and collaborators to maintain our leadership and contribute to the sustainability of the planet.